Chinese New Year marks the beginning of spring, and 2022 being the year of the tiger symbolizes strength, ambition, bravery, and loyalty. Sharing similar traits, we at Veeam have great ambitious plans to take the strong foundation as the trusted technology partner in modern data protection to new heights. With lots of momentum behind us, we strive to continue strengthening our commitment to our partners and customers by delivering more effective data protection solutions. As we welcome the Year of the Tiger, we'd like to wish you and your loved ones a year filled with great health, wealth, happiness, prosperity, and roaring success. 祝大家在新的一年里，新年快乐，身体健康，事事顺利，财源广进。在虎年里，虎年吉祥如意，虎虎生威，虎气冲天，虎年行大运，恭喜发财！